No, don't. What am I supposed to say? No, I mess it up. Eggs. Mayonnaise. And I have bacon. Hi, my name is Mia Wolf, and I'm the daughter of Dinah Wolf, and this is my little sister, Nella! Today we're going to be making bacon cheddar deviled eggs. And these are the ingredients that you will need. Eggs. Mayonnaise. Mustard. Pre-cooked bacon that we're just going to heat up. Cheese. Okay. So first, Nella's going to make the bacon. So how she makes the bacon is she uses the paper towel. Then I put the bacon on. 2 pieces, I think. Is good enough for us. Then, or let's do 3. There you go. 2, well, yeah. So, that's how you make bacon. 19, 18, 17, 16, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, open. You want me to do it? Oh, you got it. So put this one under this one. No, you're gonna put it under. Yeah. Okay, close it. While the bacon is cooling, I'm gonna show you how to boil the eggs. So first, you're gonna put water in your pot. So now I'm gonna put 4 eggs. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn on the heat so that I can boil. You're gonna let them sit in the pot till a rapid boil. You always need to wash your hands. Gotta sing happy birthday to tell the time to wash your hands so you could get away the germs. While the eggs are boiling, we're gonna crumble the bacon. I am going to take half of my bacon. I'm just gonna put it in my hands and smush it until they're small. You good? Did you just eat it? Okay, put it in the little cup. And so you can do half of this one and I do half of this one. Okay. Here. Don't eat them. Okay. Now, I'm gonna rinse it off. I will eat these pieces. You can say happy birthday.
Are you waiting for the water to boil?
No, I'm waiting to eat. I'm waiting to test the food. The eggs have reached a rapid boil. Remove it from the heat and turn off the stove. After you do that, put on a lid and let it sit for 12 minutes. It is rapid boiling. Off the heat. I'm too scared. Okay, now let's move. And let's put on the lid. Okay, pause it. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
Ice cream bag. A very important part of doing the deviled eggs is eating ice cream while you wait them. I got vanilla. When the timer is finished, bring your pot and drain it out. After, like I said earlier, you can just put some cold water in there with the eggs, and it will help you peel the eggs easier. So just put some cold water, and then if you want, you can grab some ice. Okay, so the cold water, it helps the eggs peel faster. So after you peel the eggs, you have to cut them in half. Then let's do this one. That we finished with the cutting, we can just put all the yolks in the bowl. So fun. So now you're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna take your mayo and you're gonna put 2 scoops of mayonnaise. Ew, that feels a little weird. Okay, after you do the mayo, you can put Dijon mustard in. So for Dijon mustard, I just do one. I think I just do 2 tiny squirts because I don't really like Dijon mustard. So after that, you want to mix it. Smash it all up and mix it everywhere. Smash. Okay, so you don't have to do this, but I am. So I'm taking a piping bag and a piping tip so I can squirt the sauce into the eggs. Let's make a small cut just in case. It kind of looks like icing, but it's not icing. So don't put it on cupcakes or cake. But it might look like icing, but it's not. To you. If someone thought it was icing and they put it on the cake, that'd be so disgusting. Yeah. Okay. Now, to make it easier to put in the sauce, like even if you're like making cupcakes or like a cake and you need to put the frosting in, to make it easier, just take a spoonful and put it in the cup so that you can put the thing around the cup and it'll just be easier. And make sure it looks like this, the stuff. Okay, so watch. So it doesn't, so you don't have to put it like on its own. Okay. No, knock it off. Get more. And so you don't have to like put your spoon in and then you have to scrape it off the thing and that makes it messier. You just go like this. And I'm putting this in the piping bag and it's set so that it's ready to go. You squish it. Yeah, make sure it's all good. Now, okay. And make sure it looks like this. You can just swirl it. Like a cake or a cupcake. Well, they're probably. Yeah, that one was much better. Perfect. And it looks very pretty. So now we can put on the toppings. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little bit of sprinkle of cheese, a little sprinkle of cheese on each one, and a little sprinkle of bacon on each one. Not a lot though. If you want, we can eat some of the leftovers. Man, what's what? It's time to try the moment of truth. I got the perfectest. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. What's that? You should be yourself when you go up. So yummy. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And click the bell button. And make sure you stay tuned for our next video. Bye. Bye.